Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WHEA uncorrectable error in Windows 11. Whether you're suddenly seeing a blue screen of death, or you just want to make sure your PC runs smoothly without crashes, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your device manager by searching for it in the Windows Start menu. Once you're there, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers to make sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. If you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, I recommend using the official software for your card, like Intel System Software for Intel. To check for the latest updates, this ensures your system is running the best drivers possible. Next, if updating your drivers doesn't resolve the issue, we'll go a step further. Search for Reset This PC in Windows and click on it. We're not actually going to reset your PC, but this will give us access to Advanced Startup. Click Restart, now under Advanced Startup. When the system restarts, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, followed by Startup Settings, and click Restart again. Once you're on this screen, enable Safe Mode with networking by pressing F5 or 5 on your keyboard. Now, search for CMD, right-click to run it as administrator, and type SFC Scan and press Enter. While that scan runs, open another command prompt as administrator and type CHKDSK to check your disk for errors. Once both scans are complete, restart your computer normally. After following these steps, your WHEA uncorrectable error should be fixed, and your Windows 11 PC should run without unexpected crashes. It's also a good idea to regularly keep your drivers updated and perform system scans. This helps prevent future errors and keeps your PC stable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the WHEA uncorrectable error in Windows 11 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?